Hello, we are Exodus 31 Designs. Today I want to show you how to make this customizable project. It is a beautiful and surprising pop-up card that uses artistic paper transformation techniques to achieve these 3D details. To get this result, we will use different tools in Cricut Design Space along with our cut file, which you can purchase at the link in the description. You can also practice using these tools in your cutting software with our test file, which I will also leave in the description. Once the SVG file is loaded into Cricut Design Space, I can see its layers by expanding the right side panel. Identify the fold lines and change the operation from cut to score. Add the customization text. I am going to use the Google font, Cookie. Place the text on the line we have prepared for this purpose. Make sure the text touches the line. You can adjust the text size. You can also change the text color. I do this to verify that it is in the right place, that is, touching the line so it can weld to the card later. Before welding the text, there is an important step: ungroup. Select the text layer by clicking on it, press Shift, and select the green card layer. Notice that in the right side panel, the selected layers are highlighted in light blue. Now click Weld. Notice that the black score lines layer has moved to the back. This is not a problem. Under Arrange, we can fix it by sending the green layer to the back. Select all three layers, the customized green card, the score line, and the black cut lines. Notice that all three layers are highlighted in light blue in the right side panel, and click Attach. Now select the white layer with its score line and click Attach. Click Make It. I will make this intricate cut using the mirror function, but this is optional and a matter of personal preference. I use this setting for intricate cuts. and my scoring tool is the scoring stylus. To achieve a perfect cut, I recommend using a cutting mat with good adhesion. Place tape on the edges of the cardstock for better hold. Verify that your blade is clean and sharp. Use cardstock between 80 pounds and 91 pounds. This is the result of the main cut, on white cardstock. Now we will cut the inner base. I used pink cardstock. The template also includes this rectangular blank insert to write a message. The cards in my downloads include the envelope template. It is time to assemble. Fold along the score lines as shown here. Define the creases with a bone folder. Lift the details of the leaves and flower petals as I show you here. Next, apply glue along the center fold of the inner layer and attach it to the intricate layer as shown here. On the blank insert, you can write the text of your choice. And that is how our card is complete. It is designed for an assembled size of 5 by 7 inches. And it fits into an A7 size envelope. That is how our project for today turned out, with a professional finish. Remember that you can use our templates for personal or commercial purposes. This applies only to the final physical product. I invite you to practice the Cricut Design Space functions used in this video using our test file. Follow us to keep making the most of your cutting machine together.